Sending email from iPhone is simple, okay? In this guide, I will walk you through on how you can do that through your iCloud email address, okay? Which is assigned to you or you create when you are signing up or setting up your iPhone for the first time. Okay, the first step is to search for mails. So, as the mail app shows up in the search result, tap on it for it to open. Okay, I'm landed on my inbox, okay? And here we want to create a new mail, all right? So tap on the square icon with pencil inserted in it at the bottom right of the inbox, all right? The next step is in the to section, type the email address of the person you want to send the message to, okay? So here, let me use customersbase2019@gmail.com. It can send to Gmail, Outlook, or any other mail service, any other email address it will go through, okay? Once you are done typing the email address, tap on the subject area. If you want to add more than one email address, tap on the plus sign, okay, at the same line of the added email address, okay? But here I just want to send to the one person, all right? So I will tap on subject and then give this email a subject. Here the subject I want to use is sales report, okay? Then you can see the text sent from my iPhone is assigned by default. So clean it up if you don't need that. To me, I don't see the need for that. So clean it up. Then compose your message. Okay, my message reads, this is to inform you that your department did not send sales report last week. Please do that in 3 days. So in the body section, describe the content of your mail, okay? Describe it very well in a way that the person you are sending the email to will understand. So after you have composed the body section, tap on the send icon, which is this arrow that points up at the top right, okay? And this email is now delivered to the intended recipient. Let me now walk you through on how you can still send the same mail using Gmail, all right? Gmail is one of the most popular mail services used globally. So you can install it on your iPhone. So go to the App Store and get it installed. Then sign into it with your already existing Gmail account or create a new one, okay? As it opens, you can see the compose button at the bottom right. So tap on it. Then in the to section, type the email address of the person you want to send the mail to, okay? All right, see, I'm using the same customersbase2019@gmail.com. If you want to send to more than one person, once the first name is assigned, the first email address is assigned, then type the rest. After that, tap on return key and continue in that progression, okay? But here, I want to send to just one person, okay? Then in the from section, your email address is automatically assigned, your Gmail address, okay? So no need of making any change there, okay? Then subject, tap on subject and give the email a subject, all right? Okay, here the subject is monthly report. So give the subject in relation to the content of your email, all right? So I'll tap on compose and then explain the content of the email to the recipient. All right, my message reads, this is a request for last month's sales report. In a situation whereby you need to attach a file, it's possible in Gmail, all right? So tap on the attach icon, which is the ring-like icon, all right? That's spiral. Then this opens the photo section of your iPhone with some other document section. All right, so I selected photo, but that's not what I need. So if maybe you need to attach documents, all you need to do is to tap on the document. Okay, so here you can see the one named sample 4. So let's work with that. So I'll tap on it on the assumption that that is the document I want to attach to this email. All right, and it is now assigned. Okay, the next step you need to take to send this email is to tap on this arrow that points towards the right at the top. Okay, at the top right, and you can see sent. Okay, so these are just the few steps you can take to send email from your iPhone to somebody else. You can use Gmail for that, and you can use the iCloud email, all right, email address for that as well. So it is that simple. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and leave a comment. See you next time.